Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, as always, please do not make it your last time by clicking on that subscribe button down below, hitting the bell icon right beside it so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video, guys. So guys, I feel like my voice is echoing, so I'm gonna open the door a bit. So guys, in this video, if you cannot already tell by the title, I have for us a get ready with me. So today we're getting ready for Eid. Today is Eid day. Today is Eid morning, and I want to do the whole skincare, body care, makeup, outfit. We're gonna do all that in this video, and guys, I am already kind of late. My mom said we're gonna leave for the masjid around 8 and it is 7 already. I don't think I can do everything in an hour, but we're gonna see how we're gonna make this work. Okay guys, so if you are interested, just keep on watching, okay?
Friends Spend a lot of years, really think it get one fast me. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta cool it down. Oh, you let me lead it. Never mind a girl with a mind like this. No, no. Give space and time like this, my love. Never met a girl so fine like this. No, 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 no. But don't waste a wine like this, my love. Only a real one can take me. Only the radio could play me. Now you wish I was complacent. So now you wanna have conversations. Now you testing my patience. Yeah, yeah. Got a lot of bands, got a lot of Chanel on me. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta cool it down. Got a lot of style, got a lot of Tiffany on me. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta cool it down. You and me.
Oh wow, guys, I just filmed my outro and I realized I wasn't filming, but what is new? So guys, what do you think about my makeup look? Is it giving or not? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, if you made it this far into this video, don't forget to give me a big old thumbs up. Comment down below, rate my makeup look on a scale of 1 to 10, and let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, I'm not a professional, I might be a bit rusty, which is fine, but rate me. Let me know how, how good you guys think this looks. And guys, I'm so sorry if the ram is like making noise, please ignore him. So guys, yes, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, Eid Mubarak.